have 24 hours to find a winning product, build a store for it and make $1,000. If I fail, I will shave off all my hair and the time starts now. Now since we only have 24 hours, my best bet was to go to TikTok and find my winning product there. So I just searched up Amazon finds and then scrolled through my feed for 15 minutes and I came across a lot of good products, but a product that I really liked was this water gun, which was like electric, and a lot of people in the TikTok comments really liked it. And since summer is coming up right now, I think this could work really well. So after I had that product, I also went to shophunter.io, and here you can basically see how much money other dropshipping stores are making. So I plugged in that initial store from that video and I could see that they were making a lot of sales. And after I plugged in a lot of different stores with a lot of different water guns, I could definitely see an uptrend in the sales, which is pretty self-explanatory since summer is coming up and people will want to buy it. And when they are making a lot of money, I can definitely make a lot of money too. So Shop Hunter is definitely one of my most favorite spy tools. So this can definitely help you find that winning product that will make you thousands. So if I were you, I'd definitely check it out, and I will leave a link down below, and if you sign up through that link, you will get a free trial. So don't miss out, this tool is really insane. Now on AliExpress, this water gun cost $18 and we could easily sell this for $65 in our own store. So I basically went to Shopify and just created a new store, and instead of creating all the product pages myself for it just to turn out mid, I decided to get AI to do that for me. So I basically just went to this website called pagepilot.ai and just signed up for that free trial, and then I could create a new product page. Then I basically just pulled up AliExpress again with my product, copied the link and put it in there, and chose the language I want the product page in and clicked on generate. It had all these nice icons, description and pictures, and of course you could also just change different parts about it. And what I liked the most was that it even added reviews. Normally for your Shopify store you have to get a whole nother app to add some reviews on it, and that can cost a lot of money, but this AI just added some reviews itself. So this store looked really cool, so I did some slight changes and then imported it to Shopify. On Shopify I also did some changes. For example, I changed the colors to this light blue and blue because of like watercolors. I think you know what I mean. And then I also changed slight things about the description, because we don't just want to showcase our product, we want to sell to people's emotions, because optimally you want to make people feel like they really need your product and not explain it with logic. Now beside the pictures, the title and the description, I also added a fake discount to further make people buy the product. Now after all the product info was basically done, I only changed some things about the homepage and then the store was finished. So this was definitely a pretty fast and simple setup because of pagepilot.ai. So if you want to try it out for yourself, I will leave a link down below, and it's definitely a great tool. Now this is what the store looked like in the end. Really nice and clean store, and this is really all it takes to get a person to buy your product. Also the social credit was looking really nice, and this will definitely do, especially since there are a lot of more important things, for example the ads. Now of course we had to market the product, and for that I needed ad creatives. Now there are a couple of different ways to go about your ad creatives. You can for example order the product home and then just film some videos with it yourself. You can also just go to TikTok, download a bunch of videos, then edit them together and create your own creators out of them. Or you can even get a company or UGC creator to film and create some videos for you. I chose to go with the cheapest and easiest route, which was basically just to download a bunch of TikToks, then drag them into CapCut and edit them together. I put some nice text on it and some nice background music, and then I had 3 different ad creatives, and that was really all I needed. And to download the TikToks, I just used this website called Snaptik. There's a bunch of TikTok downloaders out there. So now that I had pretty much everything set up, it was all down to the ads. And when it comes to running ads, most people are always scared of it, since you have to spend money to get money back from ads. But honestly, it's not so complicated as people make it out to be. So I will just quickly run you through this. I created a new campaign, then I chose website conversions and left this blank and also this blank, and went to the next page. Here I basically just selected my pixel that I also installed on my Shopify store. This is not really hard. You just basically have to install this TikTok app on your Shopify store, and then it can track the data. So I did that, and afterwards I selected the placement. This is really important. You don't want to be running ads on Pangle or these other platforms, just TikTok. So just select TikTok, and after that I also turned off user comments, because people will say, oh, it's dropshipping in the comments, and you don't want that. Now I targeted UK for my product, since I just saw that a lot of people were running this in the US, and there was basically a lot more competition in the US, and also UK normally has lower CPM, so I don't have to spend as much. Targeting UK and US always works good, but you can also target your local country. That can work really well too. Now for my budget, I chose $500 a day since I was hoping to get that 1K in sales. And then on the last page, I've uploaded my creatives and wrote some nice call to actions. As I said, pretty simple setup, and as you probably noticed, I did no targeting with like interests and stuff, and I normally don't do that because the algorithm is smart enough to just target the people that will be interested in your product. Now the ads were accepted later today and started running at 4 p.m. Now already 1 hour after we launched the ads, we had our first 2 sales, which was not really good for the amount of money we spent on ads, but still I was not worried. Now after that, I basically went to the gym and did some work, and I always heard that Shopify notification every once in a while. So we ended that first day of running the ads with 14 sales, which was roughly $630 made. And that is not bad for day 1. Now since I ran the ads for 24 hours, I of course also had to run them throughout the night, and I didn't get a lot of sales in the night, which is why I always normally would advise you guys to do day parting, so not run the ads in the night. Now I got a lot of more sales the next day, but now let's get to the numbers. How much did we really make? First day we made 14 sales, which was $910, and the second day we made $780 coming from 12 sales. So in total we made $1,690. But stop, of course this is not profit. We had a lot of money we spent on ads, and of course also things such as product costs and other stuff. So if I subtract all the ad costs and also the product costs, we come out to a profit of around $490. And for 24 hours, $490 is pretty solid. So this challenge was a complete success. So check out Shop Hunter to get insights on other stores, and also check out Page Pilot to build your stores. Those are 2 really great tools and will save you months of wasted time. Now make sure to subscribe and like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.